Do you want custom homes for your Steam VR? This is how to get it. So first, go to here. You want to go onto Steam VR. Go to here. You should see training items. You want to go to visit this workshop, and you should see type. Click on that. Click on background. Find the background you want. I want this one. Once you've done it, you want to click subscribe, and it should start updating the Steam VR. Now, once it started updating, it should say update Steam VR, updating, should have your Steam VR updated. Now, I will show you what it looks like, and I'll do a tutorial here after this bit. Then what you want to do is go into your Steam VR, click on the menu, and then you want to go onto Steam, and you want to see VR settings, click on it, play area, and scroll down to see background, click on it, find the one you want. And it should start updating, and there you are, you have it. I'm going to change mine back to red. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye. Sorry for the terrible audio we just had. It's my Quest audio, my Meta Quest 3 audio, mixed with the sounds with Steam VR. It's just very bad. Sorry about it, and I'll try to do better next time. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if this video helped, and goodbye.